Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the chapter minus and cofactors. I think we already discussed. Then once again I will repeat it. So you study very well, write in your notebook and just go through your textbook and solve some questions. Okay, minus and cofactors. Just revise this. Okay, minus and cofactors. Let us consider one determinant A, B, C. Here I took A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C because of identification. Okay, here. Then, this is the first element in the first row. This is the second element in the first row itself. This A, B, C is in first row. This is in second row and this is in third row. So, we can give A1, B1, C1, which means it is in first row. This A, B, C, it is in second row. Okay, third, this one is in third row. Then, this A1, first A1 is the element in the first row and first column. So, I can give A1, 1, which means it is in the element of first row and first column. Similarly, this one, the first row and second column. First row and third column. This is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. These are the elements. Because of, they will ask in examination, find A13. Suppose to find A13 means that is the element in the first row and third column. So, what will come? First row, that is the third column. So, this element. Okay, suppose B 2, 3, which means it is in second row and third column. 2, 3. Okay, for that, just we identify that how we will find the elements in the determinants. Okay, next we are going to find minus and cofactors. First of all, we are going to find the minus of determinant. How we can find the minus of determinants means, suppose here minor of the first element. First element means, A11 is the first element. Minor of the first element means just you are going to avoid the first column and first row, which is connected with the first row and first column. So, we can avoid that one. The balance is B22, C23, B32, C3. So, these four are the minus of the first element. Okay. For one example, I will solve one example. Then minus. Okay. Then one example. Minor of this determinant. How we can find minus of this determinant? Okay. Then this is the first element 2. So I am going to find the minor of the first one. Means we can avoid this first row and first column. So balance M11. Here I am going to find the minor of first element. Okay, so balance 4, 5, 4, 5, 1, minus 3. Okay, how we can find the determinant? 4 into minus 3 minus of 5, 1 into 5. Okay, 4 into minus 3 minus 12 minus 5, that is equal to minus 70. Then M11. Similarly, M12. M12 means, what is the meaning? M12 means first row, second column. So, second one. First row, second column. So, we can avoid that one. Then 1, 5, 2 minus 3. 1, 5, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, once again. 1 into minus 3 minus of 2 into 5. Okay. 1 into minus 3 minus 10. That is equal to minus 30. Similarly, you can find third one. Okay, that is M13. Suppose to find M23. How we can find M23? M23 means, is in second row for third column. second row, third column. So this is the number. So M23 is equal to, how we can find? So this is a number, identifying number. Okay, M23 is it? Second row, third column. Then, so how will come? This column and this row will avoid. So what will come? 2 minus 2, 2, 1. 2 minus 2, 2, 1. Don't forget this row, this column. Okay, so 2 minus 2, 2, 1. Usually we can multiply 2 into 1 minus of 2 into minus 2. That is the answer. So that we can find the minor. Using this method, we can find minor. Similarly, how we can find the cofactors? How we can find the cofactor of first element? How we can find the cofactor of A11? How we can find the cofactor of A11? Here, listen. So minus 1 raised to, then common formula I plus j, which means this is ith row, jth column. Row and first one is row, second one and column. Here in this first case, how will come? 1 plus 1. That is, it is M11. That is the meaning. That is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, I plus j into M11. Here you see minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 according to our previous question, given example, means how will come? Minus 1 raised to, that is always M11 means that is both are 1 plus 1, that is square. 1 plus 1, that is square. Is it? Then minus 1 raised to square means that is plus 1 into M11. M11 we found already, that is minus 17. That is, so the value is minus 17 itself. Because of this, it become positive. But here in this case, M1, in the case of M12, it become 1 plus 2 become 3. 3 means minus 1 raised to 3. So again it become minus into minus 13. Is it? So minus of minus 13 will come. That is plus 13. That is a cofactor. Cofactor of M12. Understood the difference of minor and cofactor? The case of minor, how we can find? Just we are avoiding that row and column. But in the cofactor, let us consider the value of minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Or the common formula is minus 1 raised to I plus j. I is the row, j is the column. So do it carefully. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss applications of determinant. Mainly, one of the application is find the area of a triangle. Mainly the area of a, the triangular shape field is there. Triangular shape buildings are there. Okay. Then how we are going to find the area of a triangular shape, that is main one. For that, let us consider, suppose x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the coordinates of, or vertices, vertices, as we studied in the 10th standard, vertices of a 3 triangle. Okay. Here, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Vertices of a triangle. Then, how we will find the area? For that, listen here. First of all, you may arrange x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Okay, then half, it is common. Half into, we can arrange it in the determinant form. How we can find it? Half into, then using minor and cofactor, half into, avoiding that one, y2 minus y3 plus y1 into, okay, that is using that method. I will explain how using question, I will explain how we can find. This is the form. Suppose x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle. using determinants we can find the area. Then you through the question we can solve it. We'll ask in examination how we can find the area of a triangle. Okay, now I will discuss a example. The area of a triangular fluid. Okay, then x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Then so formula is half into area is half into x1. Here you see one thing, you are going to consider the first column x1 x2 x3. So x1 x2 x3. Okay, then if you consider the first column x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. If otherwise, instead of first column, you are considering first row, means how will come? Suppose first row means how will come? 1 by 2 into this, there is no change because x1 into y2 minus y3. Okay, here there is no change. Then instead of x2 we are selecting y1, means how will come? Minus y1 into how will come? x2 minus x3. Okay, x2 minus x3 plus minus or plus after. Then 1 into x2 y3 minus x3 y2. x2 y3 minus x3 y2. Okay, this is the formula for finding area of a triangular fluid. Just you revise the last year portion also. We already studied in the +1 class area of a triangle. Just take the notebook and textbook, revise it. After that you may solve some questions already in your textbook. Okay, try to solve. You know now the condition is like that, so you don't think okay we can't study like that. Don't think, you study carefully your portions. Okay, thank you.